Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Hyundai or Kia engine 2.4 Gdi engine. Stay with us, we will explain guys. If you have check engine light on and any of the following four codes, how to fix that. I'm talking about code P0351 P0352 P0353 or P0354. If you have any of these codes, we will explain the top things that we see here at the shop. And you always need to check one thing guys, because otherwise, okay, you may just waste your money. So stay with us and we'll explain what it is. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep providing this free information to you. Now, for any of you that need to buy parts, tools for a really good price and quick shipping as well, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So with that being said guys, that's a 2.4 Gdi engine that we have here. Even if you have a different Gdi engine, the procedure could be very similar, almost the same. So in order to fix those codes, you need to remove the upper engine cover. It attaches with 4 rubber bushings to the valve cover. Okay, right here. If the bushings fell off of the of the engine cover and they're on the valve cover, you need to pull them out and install them on the engine cover. Now, before we start, many of you guys ask us in the comment section below to share information about the computer and diagnostics we recommend and use here. That's our favorite tool guys, we use it daily. So if you look at this one, it works on almost every car you can think of, and it's a tool that can pay itself off in one-time use. And Hyundai Kia is right here. So I'll put the link in the description of the video below for any of you that need to check the current price and features. So let's say you guys have code P0352. What that means? It means that you have a bad communication or bad ignition coil on cylinder number 2. The last digit of the code corresponds to the cylinder number, and starting from the very left of the engine, you're going to have cylinder number 1, 2, 3 and 4. So respectively, if you have code 351, it's for that ignition coil. 352 is here, 353 and 354. So things to check guys. Okay, you want to make sure that it's plugged in, the ignition coil is plugged in and the wires are not broken or eaten. Sometimes in the cold months, rodents like mice can get in the engine bay to find a warm place and they can chew on the wires. We had that happen before. Make sure the wiring harness is good. Make sure it's plugged in and make sure the security, okay, safety lock right here is engaged. Because if that thing is open like that, okay, the ignition coil actually connector may get loose. So when you install it, always push that one as well. Now, how do you guys fix that problem? If you checked all that and you still have that code, let's explain what two things can cause that. So we're going to disconnect the ignition coil, remove the bolt. So once we remove the bolt, we pull the ignition coil guys. Most likely 9 out of 10 times you will have bad ignition coil that causes this code. Now something else, when you remove it, inspect to make sure you don't have water. If you washed your engine, it's very likely you may have water that causes that bad signal and code for ignition coil. And number 2, make sure you don't have engine oil in the spark plug hole, because that means you have bad valve cover and that can interfere with the signal as well. Now, if you want to see how to test ignition coil, okay, we're going to have a video coming very soon that will teach you how to do that. But 9 out of 10 times it's bad ignition coil, and then I'll check the wiring harness to make sure it's plugged in and the wires that are in good condition. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.